Well, I finally got the tractor all running good. Everything's fixed on it. Well, except the tire. I still gotta get a new tire for it. But it holds air long enough to use it for a few hours and pump the tire back up. Got my new water pump, a new belt. Got it all cleaned up for the most part. Finally got the Hera out of the brush down there. That was a bigger endeavor than I thought it would be, but I got it out. The two over here, I don't know if I'm going to use or not. Probably not. And this one here, definitely not. At least anytime soon, because I'd have to cut the damn tree down to get to it. And I had to bring the John Deere down to help me. This tree here is a real pain in the butt. Big bushes and all that was right in here. And the Hera was in here. When you know, it got stuck right against the tree there. And I couldn't get it out. So I had to bring the tractor in this way, pull it backwards and try again. I still couldn't clear it. So I pulled these two big bushes out and came and cleared the way so I can get the tractor in right here, pull it sideways away from the tree, and pull it out. I want to take this entire thing down. I can get to that later. That ain't that important right now. But, well, nobody's made the garden here in probably 10-15 years, so I'm just getting it all cleared out. That way I can start. I don't know if I'm going to take these little trees out yet or not. Probably not. But all this little brush right in through here, all these little trees I'm going to take out. There's a couple little walnut trees in there I'm going to leave in, but for the most part, all these little trees I'm going to pull right out and throw them on the burn pile. But I'd say it's probably a little over half an acre garden, and a 10-acre field back behind that I might do next year. I need to get more equipment, because at the moment all I have is John Deere and the Super C, and I need a bigger tractor if I want to do that. Here's a horn, but alrighty. I'll give you guys a little update.